This is a fantastic time in the biological sciences. Technology is advancing at an incredibly rapid rate in virtually all realms of biological sciences, from the imaging to our ability to manipulate the brain, to our ability to assess the composition and sequence and function of complex communities in the human body and also in the environment. And so those technological innovations really make this the best time ever to be a biologist. There's so many technologies now that can be applied to virtually any biological problem. And you can connect with individuals in many different fields to really advance our studies here in biological sciences. So I think this is the right time to be a biologist, and it's a great time to be the biology dean.